Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. So, exams, stress, late night study sessions sounds familiar, right? When I've been through the jungle of board exams and entrance exams, and today I'm here with some strategies and maybe some advice for you all. First off, let me just say that I totally get it. The pressure, the stress, it is real. But guess what? If I can do it, then you all can. All right. First off, let's start with the whole CBSE versus CUET scenario. You've got your CBSE board exams where building concepts is the name of the game. Yes, understanding those basics is crucial, but then CUET comes along with a bit of a twist. You need to not only grasp to the concepts, but also memorize the stuff very well. As a student who had just been through the trail of all these exams, I have to tell you that neither CUET nor CBSE board exams are any less important than the other. The study path that you have to follow for both of them goes hand in hand. They do not exist in isolation, and so their preparation cannot either. CUET is important for obvious reasons. You have to clear it to get into your dream college and dream course. But CBSE too should not be left behind because that is something that will stay with you for the rest of your life. It might seem like CUET is the only thing leading you to your college, but that might actually not be the case, and you will naturally neglect your board exams. If you do believe that, then you're setting yourself up for failure. Coming to strategy, I think reading, learning, and then jotting down all the important points work for me. It might work for some of you all, but others may learn by speaking it out loud, which again is a very helpful technique. So first thing that you have to do is understand your own learning pattern and then form a strategy for yourself. Also, I started reading newspaper from the year start and it did help in the general test. Other than that, in general tests, maths is a very important part. So for those who have or do not have maths, start practicing it from early on. Maths is not something that can be practiced in just 1 month. Other than that, work on your language because that is included in whatever course you opt for. Talking about domains, I cannot stress this enough. Stick to your NCRTs. Every word of NCRT is important. Every single word can be formed into a question. Okay, now let's come to the most important question. How do we manage our time? Now here's the secret. Start early, stay consistent. I know it is easier said than done, but seriously, this is the golden rule. And early is right now. You have already stepped into your 12th and you have to start now. Start sooner rather than later. Consistency does not mean that you have to lock yourself in a room for 6 hours every single day. Some days it can just be 1 hour of quality study time. The key is to keep the momentum going every day. It's like watering a plant. A little bit every day goes a long way. Make a timetable for yourself, and that will help you to keep a track of your short-term goals. Owe it to yourself to get those targets done. And one thing that did work for me was to create a vision board. It might not work for everybody, but you can always give it a try. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It can also just be a small sticky note with the name of your dream college or your dream job, something that will motivate you to keep going. Do not leave the preparation for the last minute because that will not fetch you success. Edupreparator helped me a lot in this journey. The teachers were always there for us anytime we needed them, anytime we felt stuck. The regular mock test and practice sessions were very, very useful. Do not skip your tests or your classes because those are the things that will help you evaluate your progress from time to time and work on your shortcomings. I'm not saying it's going to be a walk in the park. There will be tough days, moments of self doubt, and times when giving up might feel tempting. But remember, each of those moments is a stepping stone towards your goal. Embrace the challenge because on the other side of that struggle is your victory dance. So go rock those exams, CBSE, CUET, or whatever is coming your way. You got this. Your hard work will pay off, and trust me, that feeling is gonna be legendary.